All right, just saw the advanced report on second quarter GDP. Yeah, a little bit disappointing. Little bit disappointing. 1.2%. That came in way below even the lowest estimates. Some of the estimates were above 2. Goldman had a 2.6 or a 2.4. I think the consensus was 1.8, so 1.2 is a disappointment. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. However, a couple of things here. One, it looks like most of the negative was really due to business investment, which dropped at the steepest pace since I think it was like the second quarter of 2012 or something like that. The slowest or the biggest drop in 4 years. All right, so that was probably still the energy sector in a contraction. Now, I thought a lot of that was already done by the fourth quarter of 2015 and first quarter of this year, but apparently it's still going on. Now, remember, got to keep this stuff in perspective. This is April, May, June we're talking about. All right, we're in August now. Got to look forward in this stuff. You got to look forward. In May, we had a stock market sell-off. In June, we had the whole Brexit situation, which everybody was freaked out about. So that might have contributed as well. But you got to keep this in perspective. You got to look forward. We got to look forward. Stock market at record highs. We see improvement in corporate profits. If you think, let me just tell you something about perspective. If you think you can sit there and trade off of numbers that are from 3 months ago, good luck to you. Go take that to the bank. Why don't you use that? Use that right now as your strategy. Or better yet, if you think you're really smart, trade off of numbers that are 30 days old, like most of these economic reports. Just sit there and wait for a number to come out and then do what you think the number's telling you to do. Take that to the bank. I want to see how you're going to do. I want to see how you're going to do. Okay? If you don't focus your effort on looking forward, you have to know what's going to happen, not what happened 3 months ago. That doesn't tell you shit. That's over. And all these people, if they're selling based on that or buying or I don't care what the hell they're doing, these are people who these are the lemmings. Okay? It's easy to take their money. Is it a rough couple of days we had here? Definitely. But you want me to hold your hand? I'm here to hold your hand, okay? If you can't handle it, go be a librarian or something. And not to put down librarians. This is trading. Nobody said it was going to be easy, okay? If you get all up and down and emotional and thinking, and changing your mind every 2 seconds, not going to happen for you. Sorry, not going to happen for you. All right? So keep everything in perspective. Yeah, we got a weak number. Big deal. Let's move on from this. We're in a bad position. We work our way out of it. That's it. That's how it works. That's the game. That is the game. Okay? Get some thick skin here. Don't get all hyperbolic again and emotional. A number goes out there. People react. They're a bunch of lemmings. That's the game. Deal with it. You got to cut through all that BS. You got to cut through. You got to have thick skin. You got to be tough. You got to be strong. The crowd's out there going crazy. You got to plow right through them. Right through them. All right? You think you're going to look at something from 3 months ago and make money? Good luck with that. Let's see. Go take it to the bank. Go take it to the bank right now. Ridiculous. See you later.